In this video, I'm going to teach you how to extrude the top of the table. Now, and the box that the table came in. Now, it's a little tricky because, of course, we don't want to draw anything that's going to be covered up, but the table here is going to cover up part of the back chair, but this chair is going to cover up the front of the table. So it's really up to you which one you want to draw first. But I'm going to start with the table. So a table like this is, about 32 or so inches tall. So it's not really like a perfect, clean, easy whole box. But what we can do here now is let's go ahead back to this true height wall. I'm going to follow this line back over here to the ground line here. You can see I'm going to follow it right back here. And then I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. Okay, now if I come back to my true height wall, which is my only true indication, this is 3 feet on my true height wall. So 32 inches is probably going to be, it's just a little bit above the halfway point right there. Okay, so that's on the true height wall. So watch how this goes. It's tricky. I'm going to draw a height line all the way along the right wall. I'll leave that for now. Okay, so all along this line is painted on the right wall at 32 inches high. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw those vertical lines up just like I did earlier when I was drawing the box for other items. Now I don't know exactly where to stop it, but I'm going to draw them up at least to hit that line over there. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, if I look at my floor plan, remember, my table, it aligns back here. And back here, that's where it connects to this back wall. So I'm going to trace this line back here. And back here. Okay, that's this line and this line that I just drew. Now I'm going to go up. And see where it intersects that line at 32 inches tall that I painted on that back wall? Okay, so these 2 points are painted on this side wall at 32 inches high. So now what I have to do is go from those points back to the vertical lines that I just drew, and that's the front corner of the box that this table came in the air. So you can see there's one and then there's one right above it. Now, there's 2 ways that I can figure out where the top front box, where this corner hits. I can either go back to the vanishing point here, or I could go back to the wall, up to that 32 inch tall line, and if I connect that point to my vanishing point and connect it, it will intersect right there too. So it's 2 ways that you can do it. Okay, now we of course have to figure out the other corners of the box. Hopefully you know how to do it. Vertical lines up, vertical lines up. Back to the vanishing point so I can connect. And these 2, I can either connect the intersection point with a ruler, just straight line, or they are also in line with that left vanishing point right there. So all I need to do is ink it in here, here, here to here, here to here, here to here, and that's the box that it came in. Notice all of the lines go either to the vanishing points or they are perfectly vertical. The lines that run perpendicular to this wall, okay, go to that vanishing point, and the ones that are perpendicular go to the opposite one. Okay?